following message is transmitted at the request of the Kentucky State Police. At the request of the Kentucky State Police, the Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Legend Gibson, an 11-month-old child from Clay County, is believed to have been taken by non-custodial parents, Sarah Brudley and Dustin Gibson. Parents were last known to have been driving a Lincoln MKZ white in color, approximately a 2010 model. At this time, we do not have any further information on the vehicle. For any further information, please contact K South P London Post 11 at 606-878-6622.